Hello, it's LMTX. Today I will show you tools which are used to create my content. You can use the same set of tools to learn about AWS and experiment with its APIs. I like to have all of them open in tabs in a browser, so I can easily navigate amongst them. Let's start with Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab allows you to invoke Python code in an interactive way. You can document what you're doing using Markdown language, and you can even embed pictures. Additionally, you've got access to the terminal. I frequently use terminal to do some additional verification using Mosquito client and OpenSSL. Speaking about diagrams, I highly recommend the Drawio. Drawio is a great tool to create nice looking diagrams because it's got really good set of icons and it's very easy to use. Let's move to my next tab, which is the AWS Documentation. I always got it open to be able to quickly check things that I'm not really sure about, or maybe I forgot some details. Then I've got the Drawio documentation, which is really good. You've got some code samples and all API calls that are available. So I highly recommend that you've got it open in your tab. Finally, I've got the AWS Console open. I use it mostly to take screenshots and explain various aspects of AWS, because I prefer to manage resources using APIs. You can find links to all of those resources on my blog post in the resource section. I hope that those tools will help you to experiment and learn AWS. All the best, LMTX.